Tamron is a company which has been around for 70 years now, and they still keep on innovating and releasing new products on the market. Tamron's line of budget-friendly f2.8 zoom for the Sony full-frame mirrorless camera system have proven to be strong performers. With the 17 to 28mm offering of wide-angle coverage and the 28 to 75mm there for the standard range, they are now joined by this, the 70 to 180 f2.8 DEI third VXD zoom lens. And in this video we are going to unbox it and I'm going to share my own experience after using this lens. So without wasting any time, let's go. Here you have a simple and minimalistic Tamron box with only the information that you really need. On the top you have the branding, of course, along with the information like your serial number and the name and the address of the importer with the MRP, which in this case is 99,900 rupees in India. On the front you get a very nice sketch of the lens, and there is nothing much other than this to read on the front or on the sides. But on the back you do get some information like the model number, the mount, which is E-mount in this case for Sony mirrorless cameras, the MOD, which is your minimum object distance, and the filter size, and the lens hood, which is also included in the box. Now let's open the box and see what's inside. One thing I like about Tamron is that they pack their lenses very well, which gives you a mental satisfaction if you want it to get delivered to your address. On the top you have this paperwork which you should read if you are using this lens for the first time. If not, then I guess you will be fine. And below that you have your lens very well packed between these two cardboards. Let me just take it outside. And here you have it, your 70 to 180 f2.8 DI third VXD zoom lens for Sony mirrorless cameras. The barrel is painted black unlike the other lenses you see in this focal range, which is a good thing I guess, because that white color will get dirty after some time and it will make your equipment look old. Construction is mostly polycarbonate with the expected metal mount at the bottom. It's a sturdy plastic, not at all flimsy feeling, and Tamron reinforces the build quality with the seals to prevent dust and splashes from getting inside. That's an important feature for Sony owners who have enjoyed weather protection in the full frame mirrorless line since day one. Tamron also includes a fluorine coating on the front element so you can easily wipe away any fingerprints you might get accidentally. Also, to prevent accidental touch to your front element, use the lens hood which is included in the box. Not only it protects your lens physically, but it also cuts down on the potential lens flares. There are no control switches on the barrel, but you do get a mechanical lock, one that keeps the zoom set to its shortest 70mm position when engaged. There are two rings, one for your zoom and one for your focusing. Each is raised with edges for better handling. The zoom ring is substantial, taking up a bit more than half of the length of the barrel. It's marked by 70mm, 100, 135 and 180mm positions and moves from its shortest to longest position with slightly less than 90 degrees of rotation. The manual ring is electronic and it's quite responsive. It works with in-camera focus aids including automatic frame magnification and focus peaking. Response ramps along with the speed of your turn. A quicker rotation makes broader adjustment, while the slower turns are useful for making more precise adjustments. In developing the 70 to 180 f2.8, Tamron sought to strike a balance between size and lightweight without sacrificing high image quality. The optical construction features 19 elements in 14 groups. The generous arrangement of special lens elements include XLD, which is extra low dispersion, LD, low dispersion, GM, glass molded aspherical, and hybrid aspherical lens elements achieves exceptionally high resolving power and controls aberration from image center to the edges. The BBAR-G2 broadband anti-reflection generation 2 coating is used to suppress ghosting and flare and to render subjects in exacting full contrast detail even under backlit conditions. In short, the lens delivers outstanding sharpness and enables clear expression and capturing the mood of any scene without compromise. The filter size and the lens cap are designed to be the same as the 17 to 28 and the 28 to 75, which is 67mm. Unified filter size gives users the convenience of using the filters commonly with other lenses and decreases the frequency of carrying many different filters and finding the different lens cap in carrying back. Plus, a total of 3 lenses is below 1.8 kilograms, less than 2 kilos, which is extraordinarily lightweight. The 70-180 f2.8 adopts newly developed linear motor focus system called VXD, which is Voice Coil Extreme Torque Drive, which controls the stop position of the focus element more accurately. Without having gears, it activates the focal length element group, and it is good for quiet and fast operations. Therefore, autofocus accuracy and autofocus tracking capability have been dramatically improved. Now, I have been using this lens myself for quite some time, and the exceptional compatibility of this lens with the Sony camera body is something that really amazed me. The autofocus works like a charm. Even with the eye autofocus on animals, it works seamlessly. Although this lens does not come with OSS, but built-in camera stabilization takes care of all the camera shakes just fine. The lightweight design is something I guess most of us photographers will appreciate, especially travel photographers like me and wedding photographers. It is going to add a little weight to my kit, and wedding photographers won't get tired of using this for a long period of time. Now let me show you some of the images that I took using this lens. Still have any questions about this lens, do leave them in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you never miss another video from my side. This was it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.